Sustainability in housekeeping. Minimize the amount of water used. Minimize the amount of chemicals used. Use environmentally preferred products. Ensure adequate ventilation to speed drying. Prevent excessive moisture, mold, mildew and bacteria. Proper disposal of cleaning solutions. Turn off lights when your rooms and other areas in your house are not in use. Turn off computers and monitors, printers, copiers and coffee makers at night. Use building entry mats to remove soil or water from your shoes. Replace disposable paper napkins and towels with cloth napkins/towels.